Hey guys, let's see how to have the Tapo C246 camera working with Alexa on Echo Show. So it's pretty simple. You see that I have the camera already working on my Tapo app. That's the main idea. You just need to make it work here first, and then later you can make it work with the Echo Show, all right? So as long as you have the camera working here with your Tapo, you just need to come here to your Alexa app. And from here, you need to install the skills. So you just make it work with Alexa. So just come here with this in this menu and look for skills and games. If it's not available here, like mine, it was available here yesterday, it's not available here anymore. But don't worry, you just need to come here and look for skills. Okay, so just type here skills and then hit enter. And Alexa is going to bring this button, so just click on it. And there we go. Here you can find your skills. So just come here and enter Tapo. And you're gonna find the Tapo skill. That's the one. And here, see, that's enabled already. You see here, Tapo TP-Link. Mine's enabled already. When it's not enabled, you just need to enable and link the account, right? The first time that you come here will be that way. Let me just disable mine so you see how it works. That way, right? The first time that you see it, you just need to come here and tap on enable to use. And then it's going to link the account. You just confirm here to link the account. Here, agree and continue, and it's linked, okay? And then Alexa is going to look for the cameras. I already have mine here added to the app, and perhaps it's not gonna show anything here. See, couldn't find a new device to connect because I already have it here. But in your case, it's going to find on the camera, okay? So I have my camera ready here. See, that's listed. And then I just need to come back. You see that your device is already listed here. It's listed as Tapo C246 PT lens and fixed lens because the camera has two lenses, right? So you can call that way, or you can just come to the Echo, and from here you can select which one you want to use, right? Let me just close this. Come back to the app here just to make sure that I have the correct camera. Let me just put the volume down here and unmute the Echo Show. Alexa, show my cameras.
Okay, opening the camera screen.
As you can see here, I just asked to show my cameras, and it's showing every single camera that I have here. Then I can just select which one that I want. You see that I have the C246 here and here because the camera has two lenses. Then I can just come here, select one of them, come back and select the other one, okay? So it's basically working with the Alexa Echo Show. So it's pretty simple. That's the way you can have your Tapo C246 working with Alexa and Echo Show. I hope you like this video. Please leave your comments, your thumbs up, and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next one.